Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so another day, another trip. Today we're here in Zamin. Zamin is a city here in Uzbekistan. It's somewhere in the southeast area of Uzbekistan. Right now we're on our way to Zaamin National Park, where get amazing views of the mountains. However, we did decide to stop by and have some food. That's our car right there parked. My wife Zioda, my son Bakhuddin. This is called Osio 2. It looks like it's food probably for Tashkent City type food. Obviously this is not Tashkent City. So we just settled here. I made some prayer for traveling. We ordered some lemon chai, bread. I ordered chicken with salad, and my wife ordered a borscht. Bakhuddin ordered a shashlik. Borscht is like a Russian soup kind of dish. So this is the borscht.
What? Yogurt.
And here comes my salad. How is it? Drinking this tea, green tea. So looks like my food is here, my dish here. It took a little bit while. They had to make it. It's called tabarka. Tabarka, da? It's chicken, about 1 kg chicken with lemon and cucumbers, agurets, tomato. I got a piece. The piece is kind of soft. It looks pretty good. I'll go ahead and put some lemon. It looks like it might be good with lemon. So put lemon all over. Try. It's pretty good. Proper chicken. You need to put some lemon and flavor to make it much more nicer. So we're somewhat around the mountain, heading up towards the mountain. So there's gonna be like a valley area from where we're gonna head up to the peak view, which is pretty high, and get this amazing panoramic view. They call this place the Switzerland of Uzbekistan. So here, a glimpse of what we have. We're still heading up. Look, there's a cow here. I see why they call this the Switzerland of Uzbekistan. Oh, it's so stunning. It's so beautiful. I've been to Nevada in the USA, drove around, but never seen something so amazing as this, like huge mountains around with desert canyon. This is a quick glimpse of where we at. This is the entrance of the park. So we're just trying to park the car and then we're gonna bounce out. So here we are. So we're at the top right now. It's a little bit cooler temperature. So Zioda is wearing a jacket, so is Bakhuddin. So I also have my jacket, a little not too heavy, light jacket. Y'all can see this. Kind of like a windshield type Adidas jacket. So this is perfect for if it's a little bit windy and cold. This is the visitor center area around the well. So we just locked the car and everything, so we're good to. So we're walking towards the bridge right now. The bridge. Apparently the bridge is glass. It's purely glass. So how do you feel about this?
Excited.
Excited? Okay, awesome. Another platik? We gotta pay tickets for the bridge walk, which is disappointing. I wished it was free, but it's not, I guess. Shashlik, Uzbekistan. So over here from the lateral side, you see a nice view. This bridge is kind of like a suspended bridge, so it doesn't have any pillars underneath it. Chekni kaita. Okay. Buddhist class na. All right, so we're walking the bridge right now, and it's a fully sunny, well, not a fully sunny day, a somewhat sunny day with some scattered clouds here and there. Zioda, it's a suspended bridge, so it doesn't have pillars. I'm pretty sure there's a engineering technique in place to allow it to swing back and forth a little bit, which makes it a little bit more exciting. So as you walk through the bridge, you can feel it vibrate and shake back and forth a little bit as people are walking. Look at my feet. My feet is moving right now. And that's an amazing view, like they call it the Switzerland of Uzbekistan. How do you feel? Little bit of fear, huh? Chut chut. Oh, I'd never even glass. Literally just standing on the glass right there. So we're right now somewhere halfway through the bridge, almost to the other side. Loud wind blowing. The worst of them. Shoulder dislocation. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we were on our way back from the top of the hill area, from where the bridge is at, and right now we drove back down, and this is one of the common areas here. So I'm gonna try to walk towards that area where Zioda is. Amazing, beautiful view. Look at that. That's some kind of like a bridge, river, whatever. It's just so we made it pretty far down from all the way up there. We're gonna try to get to where those people are. See where those people are? We're gonna try to get there. So, beautiful lake view. This is summer, so the water is not that much. You can see it's kind of dried up. Are you ready to go down? Good. So Bahauddin is a little bit tired, so he's thinking, contemplating, because we do have to hike back up, which takes a lot of energy and strength. Almost falling down there. Back on traveling. There's Bahauddin. He's sick actually, he has flu, so he's not fully fit. So it's a good idea for him to go back. So this is like the last hurdle. Zioda is trying to get down. It's like a little bit of a tricky part. Either you go very slow, watch your medlena. Почти 90% заканчивал. Вот. Oh, finally we're here. Наконец мы здесь.
Ой,
Теперь
вообще.
это... So we're at the bottom. We came down all the way from there to there. Да. Просто он заболел. Если не заболел, думаю, он мог приехать.
Да,
Точно.
он быстро такой.
Да.
Наша мечта. Вот поход.
Ой, он придет?
Ой, мы тоже.
Да. Тебе нога будет. Здесь нога будет болеть. Я постоянно бился muscle. Alright, so we finally made it to the bottom. We found some people here. And they made it to the bottom as well. Мы хотели оттуда, видишь? Это там нам показали. Как красиво вообще. So amazing and beautiful. I can't explain that in words. You gotta see it by yourself with your own eyes. Clear sky, clouds. It's very quiet here, isn't it? Like sound travels very slowly around here. Zioda finally made it. How do you feel? Чуть-чуть остался. Alright, so we've made it almost to the top. We're almost here, and this is the top. So we're almost there. All right, so we're at the last stretch. Remember, I came all the way down from there here. So this is them. How do you feel?
Exhausted.
They have one last one to go,
Ah,
and then get some good food, lunch. So right now we're hiking to the top, back to the top. That's Yoda. So she's a little bit tired, gassed out. So we went up there to the river. We're coming back and we'll head up. So hiking back up is a little bit easier in the sense you don't have to worry about rolling over and falling and slipping. Not too much. You do need more energy, and you can see I'm a little bit out of breath. You do need a little bit of energy and a bit of leg muscle strength. The water was pretty cold, so that's it. I'll see you guys at the top. So I'm gonna head there and show you guys a little bit more. So this is on the first floor. We were on the second floor, so this is another common area that people can come here and sit down, have some food, lunch, Uzbek traditional style of sitting down in a big box like a table, bed. Down here there's a small stream of river that's going all the way there, and there's a few tents there with extra of these beds where people can, other groups of people can hang out. Nighttime is also available, however nighttime the lighting is a little bit less, so, and it might be a little bit cold. So as y'all can see, I'm wearing a jacket here. It's around 64 in the early morning or late night. It's about 60, 59, 58 degrees, which is different from the city because we're in the mountain area, or further ground level, about 10, 15, maybe 20 degrees difference. This is another sitting area. That's the kitchen. I'm guessing people who work here and live here. But you see, you get to see this beautiful view. That's our room right there. We're basically staying between mountains. So that mountain in the back and mountain in the front right there. So we're basically surrounded by mountains. This is the back of the hotel area. Beautiful stream. It has a fairly favorable price to it, about $70, $69, $70 for one night for 2 people and 1 kid. So that's pretty good. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the front of the hotel. So this is walking towards the exit of the hotel. Further rooms up here available. Some of them much bigger rooms with bigger family availability. Oh, hello. There you go. These are the other stations areas. So right now I'm walking towards the exit. So this area here is kind of for the people that do want to park here. A little space here to park. So we went ahead and parked our car right there. It is a little bit tricky if you're parked in the back. You might have to move your car always when somebody new comes in. This is kind of like the exit area. So see the mountain area here. And this is the exit. And it's Grand Zamin Hotel. So if anybody want to come here, that's the number you can call. So it's pretty simple looking. Grand Zamin Hotel, got a mountain in the back, some cars parked here, and where I came from further down. This is one side of the road that's kind of spiraling down, going down, and that's the way we're heading. We came from this side yesterday. This leads to up to the top of the mountain, where we went to the bridge. The bridge was there, so it's pretty fascinating. A little further up the street there's a few stores to buy a couple of things. We had food there, some Uzbek traditional food and so on, so which was fantastic. Otherwise pretty good. So that's a quick wrap up of this hotel. So next we're gonna try to move. Hello, how's it going? Good, yeah.
Which channel here?
Sure, yeah, let me just show you. Alright, so found somebody interested to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully he does subscribe, so that'd be cool. Now I'm heading back to the room.